Hey guys, welcome back to ELN app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to apply for Qatar Airways cabin crew online. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to access Google. And from Google, you just need to enter the following keywords. In this case, it's going to be Qatar Airways cabin crew application. Just press and enter. Now look for the first link here that says cabin crew recruitment. Go ahead and click on it. Now make sure the actual website is going to be QatarAirways.com. Now in this case, go ahead and scroll down a bit here, and you now need to choose the location where you want to basically apply. For example, we have Berlin, Germany, Gdańsk, Poland, Lisbon, Portugal, and a lot more. So for example, I'm going to choose London, United Kingdom. Let's go and click on apply now. Now from here, it's going to give you the specifics for the application. That includes the qualifications and some details regarding the position. In this case, if you really want to apply for this specific job, just click on the option that says apply now at the bottom of your screen. And from here, that should start the application process. And from then on, just follow the on-screen steps here and provide all the necessary details that you have. In this case, you first need to agree to privacy agreement, but from here on, go ahead and provide your details and you should be good. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to ELN app. Thank you for watching.